need a new friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone who can play though, wanna hang with me.
Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be doing a 2-year update on my kinky curly headband wig. So I've had this headband wig for 2 years and it's held up really well. It is 100% human hair, so of course they're going to hold up if you do get a good quality one. I want to make sure everything was perfect before I went ahead and added it to my online store. A lot of you guys have already left so many reviews on your wig, and from what I can see, all of you guys really love your wig. I'm going to show you guys what mine looks like after 2 years of having it, wearing it everywhere, in the rain, in the snow, whatever. This is what it looks like. I haven't done anything to it. It's kind of just been hanging up. I did wear it maybe about a few weeks ago. This is what it looks like when it's not styled. This wig, of course, is a headband wig, which is great. You don't have to worry about, you know, your lace showing, your lace lifting, blending, all of that, using concealer, because I don't like doing all that stuff. You just have to fix your edges a little bit if you want to. Most of the time I don't. So it does have the wet headband. It has a little bit Velcro the headband to the back of your head. So it does have 4 combs, 2 at the sides of your head, 1 for the crown of your head, and 1 for your nape. That's what that looks like on the inside. This is actually 22 inches long. I love long, big, curly hair, so this length is perfect on me. I am 5'6", so it reaches about mid-back or so, which is a great length. So to prepare your hair, you want to either have cornrows. If you're not good at doing cornrows, then 2-strand twists are fine. You don't have to do them this small, but this is what I've been rocking for the past few weeks. Whatever style that you choose, you want to make sure that it can lay flat. So I'm going to go ahead now and bobby pin my twist down. Alright, so now that my hair is pinned down, I don't need to make it super duper flat just because this hair is very full and it's going to cover up any lump or bump that I may have. So once my hair is pinned down, I'm going to go ahead and put on my wig cap. And again, this hair is very dense, so the color of the wig cap that you have doesn't matter as well. If you want to use something that's flesh tone, definitely do that. All right, so my wig cap is on and I'm going to go ahead and push it back. Because this wig has a center comb, I need my wig cap to be a little bit further back, so about there. And I'm just going to make sure my twists are tucked in. All right, so next I'm going to go ahead and put on my wig, and I usually put the first comb at my nape, then I do the crown comb, and then I do the 2 sides. Alright guys, so this is what the wig looks like on. Again, I haven't done anything to the hair, so it is super frizzy right now, super big. I definitely want a little bit more definition to happen because right now it is just super fluffy. But I mean, if you want a more natural look, then this is perfect for you. If you want something more defined, of course, mousse, gel, and whatever else to get that definition is perfectly fine.
So get closer, babe. What do you got? 'Cause I am gold. I'm gold.
Hey guys, so I'm back. My hair is fully dry. I did a little bit of makeup just to complete the look. You guys can see that I have way more definition this time around. I use gel and mousse because I really wanted that hold. It's a really hot and humid day today, so I don't want my hair to just poof out of nowhere. So I did use those two products. Depending on what look you're going for, if you want more volume, you want more frizz, then definitely water and a leave-in is perfectly fine. If you want long-lasting hold and definition, then you definitely want to use mousse or gel or both together. It's completely up to you. So this is what my hair looks like from the front, and I'm gonna show you guys the side. And this is what my hair looks like when it's all pulled back. So usually I have one side forward and one side back, or however it lands, I just leave it. You can definitely flip hair to the side. I don't want to mess with the hair. But yeah, there's way more definition. I don't know if you guys can tell. It's definitely not as big and as wild as it was when I first came on camera. Definitely a lot more definition now. So of course, if you take your time, you can definitely get your curls more defined. I did mine in about 4 large sections, so I got a bit of definition. You can definitely get way more. It's really up to you. I want to show you guys how much hair I lost today. I don't really detangle my hair. The way that I like to store my hair is that I honestly put it on a hanger and I just hang it up. And when I'm ready to wear it, I just throw it on because the curls just last. And I don't care if it's too frizzy or if it's big. That's kind of how I like to wear my wig. I usually start off with something like this and I just let it do its thing throughout the week. That's how I like it. I like old hair and not brand new, super defined hair. This is how much shedded hair I lost. This is what was in the comb that I was using earlier, this one. I mean, there's a few little strands in it, but I mean, it's not much. There's probably like another 5 strands, but yeah, this is all that I lost today. Of course, when you're taking care of wigs, you want to make sure that you're being gentle. Just like your real hair, you want to detangle from the ends and work your way up. You want to do it in small to medium sized sections. You want to make sure that you have product in your hair. You want to make sure that it's wet as well, so that way you can detangle properly. Yeah, you want to treat it like it's your own hair. It's definitely way easier than my real hair. That's why I love to switch up between my real hair and wigs. But yeah, it's really, really easy. It probably took me maybe 10 minutes to do. So it only takes about 10 to 15 minutes to install the wig and style. This wig is available on my website, shaniquebuntyn.com. I'll have the link down below and also on the screen for you guys. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you guys in the next one. Bye.
I don't really need a new friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone who can play though, wanna hang with me. I'm not really looking for a friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone not afraid of